Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. On my way home, 67 degrees, pretty warm for a cloudy day. The rain is coming. I like the rain. Yesterday was 84 degrees. This whole last week was really nice, as if summer was still here. But the rain is coming and I can't wait. I can't wait till the snow, ice, doesn't matter. I love winter just as much as I love summer. The ZTE Axon 7, shooting this video 1080p, front-facing camera. How does everything look? How does everything sound? Yeah, it's back. Sold my original ZTE Axon 7 back in July. And, well, I uploaded a video yesterday for you to watch if you haven't on how I got the ZTE Axon 7 back here on my Project 13. I'm just stoked to have it back. It was always in the back of my mind that I would bring it back in again, but I didn't think it would be this soon. It just, everything fell into place for me to be blessed with the ZTE Axon 7. And yeah, I'm super stoked. Another huge shout out to David Yoho, man. You want to know who he is? Again, go watch that video that I uploaded yesterday afternoon. The ZTE Axon 7 is back. That's the title of the video. Anyway, let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. I'm just stoked to be able to shoot some video with it right now. Again, I didn't think I'd be shooting any video on a ZTE Axon 7 for quite some time. You know, there's always a point in time with some devices that I get rid of, that I get the itch to bring them back, and then I go on this hunt for them. Well, the hunt for this device wasn't going to begin for quite a while. It happened recently with my Huawei Nexus 6P, and I was able to bring that back in. But at some point in time, I would have gotten that itch and started looking around. But like I said, it happened a lot sooner than I thought it was going to happen. ZTE Axon 7, shooting the video 1080p, 30 frames a second, front-facing camera. It's good to have it back. It's good to be able to use it. Let me know how everything looks, how everything sounds. That's it, everybody. Thanks for coming on by, checking out this video. Until my next one. Peace. I'm out. I am out. Whew. Are you still here?
It makes me feel like that.
You still here?
It makes me feel like that.